Today I come to the supermarket to have an online classes with you for those Chinese and Cantonese or pronunciation of all those food that you might have come across in the supermarket, which you will find and consume daily. For example, sausage. This is sausage. Sausage, actually the sausage we call it chop. Our human intestine we also call it chop. So this sausage for our daily meal, usually they have a scented taste. So we call it thơm. Just like thơm bỏng. So heo chop. This is I think it's meat ball. Okay, meat 就唔可以肉啦。ball 咧就係軟啦 ，this ball 肉軟啦。And this is ribs. Ribs in Hong Kong we have a very nice name. Maybe in some other places they are also called as 金沙骨. Okay, when you fry them and then they become 金沙骨. Now maybe you just call them 骨隻骨肋骨okay, ribs. So after usually we fry it and fry it or bake it in the oven, and then it become a very tasty 金沙骨. And these are only the pork, okay? So we call it 豬肉pork 豬肉. This is, I think it was also the pork, and this is the beef, I think. Yeah, this is the beef. Beef we call it 牛肉啦. That means the meat from the cow. So 牛 is we call cow or horse, and that is 牛啦. And then the meat from them is beef, is 牛. Then let me see whether I can find chicken. You cannot find chicken yet, but I found the first some grounded pizza. Grounded beef there we call it 表子啦 grounded 面子面子牛肉啦 or we make it short become 面子牛啦 表子grounded. Okay, this is a burger, right? And then we for corn bowl. Actually, we just did the similar side corn bowl.